Dear students, welcome to the chemistry sessions. Here we discuss the part of this is the question on the basis of the previous lectures. How will you obtain? How will you obtain acetophenone? Acetophenone from calcium formate, or say calcium acetate. You can say this calcium acetate, from calcium acetate. The question is that the answer is that the product is what? The product is acetophenone. Here from this question, the product of the reaction is acetophenone. We want to this the preparation methods of acetophenone. अब यहाँ पे देखो क्वेश्चन का आंसर सॉल्व करना है तो आपको स्ट्रक्चर पता होना चाहिए, नाम से स्ट्रक्चर से नाम। तो यहाँ पे आपको ये कंपाउंड प्रिपेयर करना है, सिंथेसिस करना है। We know this calcium acetate is that this is the calcium is there and we are having this oxygen atom, and that is what is the reactants, starting reactants. Taking this is the calcium, here is what calcium, oxygen is here. Then C double bond was here, and this one is number C double bond is here, and this is nothing but a methyl group is here, and this is not a methyl group. So this is what a calcium acetate. This is what calcium acetate. Calcium acetate is react with what? This is react with you can instead of CS3 you can take pH. Oxygen, here again calcium, this oxygen, here the C double bond O, again this is what? This is the pH, phenyl group is there, phenyl. So whatever here the calcium atom or group of atoms, here whatever, this methyl group with this pH atoms or group of atoms, this is loss. How many times? This loss is the 2 times. And then what one formation of the types of the product is nothing but 2 mole of acetophenone. Here the reaction condition is what? Dry distillation. Dry distillation, and this side product is also formed. This 2 mole of calcium carbonate is there. 2 mole of calcium carbonate. So such types of the reaction is takes place. This is nothing but what? Preparation of the acetophenone from calcium acetate and calcium benzoate. This is calcium benzoate, this is calcium acetate. So the calcium benzoate is react with the calcium acetate in a dry distillation is takes place, and formation of what? This formation of acetophenone. Okay. Another category. What is the preparation methods? The question number 2 is that. What is the preparation method? Preparation methods of methanol from, what is the preparation method? Give the preparation methods of methanol from calcium formate, So here the calcium formate, that is nothing but we are having AC double bond O. देखो अब इसका आंसर क्या लिखना है? आपको कैल्शियम फॉर्मेट पता होना चाहिए, है ना? So this is nothing but what? Calcium formate. So again this is the reaction condition is what? Dry distillation. Dry distillation of this is nothing but, this is the dry distillation of calcium formate. This calcium formate is here. So again what? This hydrogen atom, this from the HCO group lost. This one H, C double bond O, H. With calcium carbonate is lost. So side product CaCO3. This is what a methanol. The name of this methanol is nothing but formaldehyde. So this is the reaction for the preparation of the methanol or formaldehyde starting from calcium formate. Okay, reaction. This is what question number next. Question number 3rd one is what? आपको यहाँ पे रिएक्शन मतलब रिएक्टेंट दिया जा सकता है और रिएक्शन कंडीशन दिया जा सकता है. So you have to find out the answer, product of the question. If you have to give answers type to predict the product, you have to give on this question what predict the product, predicts the product, you can see predict the product predict the product for the given reaction. देखो यहाँ पे आपको रिएक्शन दिया हुआ है, आपको प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है ना. So that the reaction is that if we are having, you are having this given, this is the secondary alcohol and this one is the primary alcohol. One is the primary alcohol, one is the secondary alcohol. Second one, if we are having, this is the types of the compound is what is alcohol and this is alcohol. The third one you have to give on this one preparation of again at the longest chain hydrocarbons. This is pyridine. This is what you have to give on such types of the product is what alcohol is here. To give on these types of the reaction condition is what you have to give on PCC. You have to give on Ag2CO3. You have to give on Ag2CO3. Again, this is another types of the reagent. This is chromium trioxide, so Jones reagent, Fittizone reagents. It is Silite. These types of the reagent, कौन सा reagent है? Fittizone reagents. This is nothing but a Fittizone reagents. So what is the product in the presence of DCM as organic solvent? यहाँ पे आपको तीन reaction दिया है, reactant molecules with given to the reaction condition. What is the product? याद रखना है यहाँ पे secondary alcohol है और primary alcohol है, oxidation करना है. So there is a formation of this secondary alcohol becomes to what? कीटोन. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल का, है ना, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल का क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन होके कीटोन बनेगा. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यूजिंग द Ag2CO3 and Silite is here. This is by using, this is nothing but Fittizone reagent. Again the same types of the reagent here, Fittizone reagent. Here the formation of cyclic ester, that is nothing but formation of lactone. Lactone is formed. This is formation of lactone, not lactone, lactone. Here this is the longest hydrocarbon chain alcohol. There is a formation of this is the pyridine ring is as it is. Here CH3, CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. Here formation of what? This going to the formation of aldol. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what is this is the formation of this is double OH. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There is formation of the aldehyde, oxidation of primary alcohol by using the PCC. What is the PCC? You know that PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. This is the pyridine, one of the hydrogen, nitrogen carries positively charged, chromium, double bond O, single bond O, and one of the chlorine atom is here. Pyridinium chlorochromate. These are the oxidation. This is oxidizing reagent. Oxidation of primary alcohol to aldehyde. If another types of the reaction, this is what we can take. This is copper. Copper as here using the copper, one of the reaction condition. You can take this copper. And this is nothing but a secondary alcohol, and this is what a tertiary alcohol. This is most important. The next one, reaction number 4, reaction number 5, and reaction number 6. So this is using, this is the copper at 573 Kelvin. 573 Kelvin. So what happened? Here formation of this primary secondary alcohol gives ketone, and this is formation of what? Alkene is here. This most important. This tertiary alcohol gives alkene, and the secondary alcohol gives what? Ketone. Whenever I have to, this is the primary alcohol is what? यहाँ पे starting reactant का primary alcohol होता है. So what happened here? So that is the reaction number 7 one. The same reaction condition. Reaction condition same है. क्या होगा? There is the formation of these types of the product. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, sorry. यहाँ पे आ गया. This is the formation of what? Propanol. This is formation of aldehyde starting from alcohol. So these are the questions. A reaction with the reaction condition. You have to find out the product. You have to provide such types of the reaction condition, and you have to solve the types of the product of the by using the reaction condition. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको reactant और reaction condition दिया जा सकता है, और या आपको statement की तौर से क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. तो यहाँ पे आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, जब क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट के फॉर्म में है तो वहाँ पे आपको स्ट्रक्चर से नाम और नाम से स्ट्रक्चर आना चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस was the question from what our previous lecture, that is preparation of aldehyde and ketone starting from alcohol, and that is what calcium ester is nothing but calcium formate, calcium acetate,